Hey guys, good morning. How are you? I hope that your morning is going good. So far, so good. Mine is so far, so good. And I'm looking forward to be all good. Hey, I want to introduce myself to you. Uh, for those of you that just visited my account, my this. Uh, yeah, my name is Hayden Lolo here, and I'm a tunnel therapist. I have a model that I use as a therapy, as a therapist. My model is Manavatapu therapy. It has four components. That I use it in just one treatment. Boom, Manavatapu. And I'm Hayden Lolo here, and I'm glad that you visited me. I'm glad to meet you, and nice to meet you. Keep visiting me because I'm gonna talk to you every day. I'm gonna share with you my knowledge, my experience, for you to be creative from it and creative from it, and to probably, my aim is to hear, give you information so that you can use it. So that you can use it. If you're sick, if you want to get healthy, if you want to move on with your life, if you want some changes in your life, you can use Manavatapu for that. Alright, nice to meet you. I'm Hayden over here from Aotearoa. Boom.